now on top of the leaderboard. Great job. Believe no penalties. That's what I want to see from my son.
Yeah.
That's a kid, and I knew I liked him from the first second. He's really got it going on.
So as we look, we have the Creative Production Spinnaker here coming down with two-time defending champion, Congressional Cup winner Ian Williams and his GAC Pindar team coming into the mark, trailed by Eric Moynihan of Switzerland in the Maya Spinnaker. Ian doing a great job on that upwind, controlling it the whole way. We'll see if he can extend a little bit on this next upwind to give himself just a little bit more cushion.
He controlled this match from the start. He's done a very, very good job with it.
Yeah, no, Sarah Canfield.
That's because it's score right here.
Probably representing time on table today. Tactics and Ian Williams in the back of the boat doing the driving, getting the job done, taking the leaderboard first place right now.
Yeah, this is 4 days. There's a lot of racing. Jordan Reese standing right here in front of us. Hey guys, that's Ted Hackney, Will McKenzie with the wild hair, Morgan White, Henry Chernow, and Tom Park.
I think Taylor did a good job keeping it clear. And yep, as I figured it was a green flag.
Yeah.
So the green flag, the white and green checkered flag, you see the inflatables that are trailing the matches. Hoist there, it just means there's no foul, no contact. Breeze starting to really pick up here. Taylor's going to try and get low here and do a cross. Ian Williams a little bit downstreet, so we'll see if Taylor can actually do this.
Yeah, Taylor's really pushing a hard line here.
Yeah, so Taylor's just going to try and run deep and work over Ian, I think.
He's 52 feet long. It's just a super fast death machine.
So here you are, here on the right side of the pier, you got Ed Baird and doing a good job here, leading back Lori Jerry, just showing his control.
Under the pier, the backstage touching against the fiberglass post to stick out.
Yeah.
It's right up there. Right up
So over a minute ago here, Ed Baird forward. See how his team's in here, calling the play line in the pin.
You can see that what they.
So Taylor opting to trail behind here. Ian Williams does still have one more jibe to go before he. I'm looking for F&M Bank is.
Adam Minoprio.
So Minoprio is ahead of Scott Dixon. Ian Williams is caught in what I would call a little bit of a mess there in terms of coverage. Taylor Canfield, the only one breaking away from the group. We'll see if he can use the extra pressure there to gain a little bit of an edge over Ian Williams.
Yeah, that four-boat stack-up happened because...
Taylor Canfield just talking to the umpires. I have a feeling that has to do with the dial-up at the winner and mark. So we'll have to get a little bit from that at the
So we're just doing a little maintenance here, getting another set of binoculars set up.
And then you have Eric Moynihan, who had a bit of a tough tack. His jib sheet got caught on the mast. Doesn't look like it hurt him too much, but it did allow Simone Federese to get off to another tack and not be covered, giving him a little bit of clear air. So these guys will be fun to watch as they work their way. We're looking forward to seeing what they do on the Alpire World Match Race Tour. Going into the finish, Matthew Richard just doing a phenomenal job, calm and collected here. We'll take him to another win, so him and Ed Baird are duking it out for that second spot at the leaderboard, just behind Ian Williams. So Richard will now move up to 5-2 on the week so far at Congressional Cup. Let's give him a round of applause, folks. Matthew Richard of France. Yeah, Eric Moynihan on starboard. Simone Federese has to keep clear. This is a starboard port.
Whoa.
Clear. Clear. And that's a green flag.
Give me a message.
We're at a yellow. Oh, nope, never mind. That's Monin's flag. Cool. we're going to need to talk to the umpires about.
If you're cold out on the bleachers, of course it's 10 degrees warmer. Lots of food in at the restaurant over here. Great viewing. It just picked up another 3 knots. It's probably 16.
Wind is really blowing.
16 and a quarter, maybe 16 and a half knots of wind here. Give or take 3 knots. We're pretty accurate on our wind calls. I've actually lived my life out. And there's Circolo della Vela from Italy. He got 4th here. He's on the match racing tour, and he won Picker Cup in 2011.
He just won.
When we got to see him, he's just one of the good guys. The wind is wreaking havoc here on the pier. A lot of action. If you're at home watching it, you really want to be here when you.
Yeah, they're coming around the windward mark. I'm not sure what exactly happened, but he's leading, Haley against Lord, he still has but let's give it up to Taylor Gatefield and the U.S. 1 team. Well done.
That's why we're here now, so that really puts it up there in good position for that Final Four.
Yeah, he's right at the top of the fleet. Taylor
Ian Williams.
World Championship team, last 2 Congressional Cups, dominant.
Easy win.
Look here for Ian Williams. So he has proved himself to be the book to beat.
So we'll see if, yeah, now Lonnie again is in another, this is almost an identical replay of what we saw. Except this time it's Scott Dixon doing the pushing. Lonnie's not really with anywhere to go. Oh, that's a flag here. We'll see what happens. Scott Dixon doing a phenomenal job. Great team. They're doing an awesome job here. They're in the Picker Cup, and they're doing a great job in this restart. They're coming into the second round robin, all pistons firing. And here they go, right off the line, full speed, well to windward. Excellent job of Scott Dixon here in the first match of this restart. Yeah, I think it was clear that I think Scott was more than happy to let Lonnie still on starboard. It looks like Pinocchio just lost his bow, so here comes Pinocchio right back on starboard. Jerry's going to have to keep clear here. Jerry going to windward. And there's the tag. It looks like he did it clear enough. No flags from Pinocchio. Pinocchio is a very tough sailor, I noticed watching him. Lloyd Jerry, who was on the tour last year, while Pinocchio was busy wrapping up the Volvo Ocean race. This should be a good match. We'll wait and see. It looks like a 19 twin tack start. Nobody over. Everyone's clean. Lloyd Jerry's in off here on starboard tack.
Pushing him down that line. Well,
yeah.
You gotta love it when the action gets so close that the people that are sitting down in the bleachers run to the rail so they can look straight down to see what's happening.
Yeah, these guys are some of the best in the Yeah, Adam Minopio really showing his pace here with his RAFX trading team. Doing a great job. They're just starting to find their stride. So let's give it up here for Taylor Canfield and the US 1 sailing team. Excellent race. Well done to them. Great team there. You know, so this could be the opportunity Jordan Reese is looking for. This team can just sail fast. They might be able to make some gains and get a win out of Ed Baird, which Richard will, if they end up in a tiebreaker, will lose the tiebreaker. So Ian Williams from Great Britain, #1 ranked match racer in the world here, taking another win, extending his lead on the top of the leaderboard. Let's hear it.
To the finish line. Our rules expert Len was mentioning that they can push them past that finish.
So Jordan in a tie. This is going to be a hard jibe here. And there they go. Still not jibing. Jibs are going up. This is Ed Baird. This is clearly Ed Baird in control.
Really?
If I were Jordan, I think I would have that jib up a lot sooner here. Jordan cannot jibe right there. Ed Baird taking his time on the starboard. No need to rush. He's going to get tight down first. Have a great little run here.
Ed Baird got everything he wanted when Jordan had to make the turn the other way.
Yeah, Taylor, you know, but he's got great control of the boat. So he's just got to really build speed here. Matthew Richard is a little bit early at the boat end of the line.
He'll be coming in
20 seconds here. It's going to be close. Taylor's got pace.
I think they'll both end up on another tack. Here comes
Richard. I think Richard is a little bit early here. Taylor might be able to push him up.
Taylor's in a really good spot.
Yeah, great start here. See if they're over. And it's a clean start. Taylor Canfield with a great lure. Finally has taken a penalty. Still on starboard. Still on starboard there. I don't know what's going on. I don't think Simone has room. I can't see the mark.
Wow, Jordan put himself in a troubled spot here.
Where's the windward mark? Where's the lure? It must be right in front of the committee boat.
Yeah. Really separate himself from the bottom. You just want to keep to that final 4 spots, and this is going to really help.
Yeah, here we go. Simone Federese coming in here for another win. Let's give it up here for the Italian team, Simone Federese.
Yeah, doing everything
and let's give it up for Taylor Canfield and the US 1 sailing team. They had a tough race there, but they're doing a good job. They're still very aggressive in the pre-start, and there's a lot more racing left to go.
Truly a great team, and I'm getting very used to saying these names. Of course, it's the reigning champion of the world in CONCUP, Ian Williams, but his team members, Jerry Mitchell, Bill Hardesty, Mel Parker, Mark Callahan, and Matt Cassidy up front.
Doing a great job here racing.